Guys, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to show you how to remove this floating icon on your Android car radio. So this is the icon which is floating. So whatever you try to do, and you could never know, once you touch things, you won't know how did you remove that, and how did you come to see this. So this comes when, like, let me see, you can see, you move it here. What does it help you anyway? Once you double click it, it's gonna give you here some setups for the reverse guidelines. You get me? Put here, then you do your settings and all that. So that's why that is the reason why that thing is there. But it's a problem. So whenever even if you switch off the radio and switch it back, it will never go away. It just delays and then come back. You can see it here, but it moves. But how do you remove that? Okay, you click that. Once you click that, you go quickly to car settings. You go to factory settings. You put in the code. In my case, it's a 888 foot. Let's say okay. Once you're there, you just click on car camera and protocol. So what happens here, sometimes when you click on parking radar switch, it becomes a problem. But where you switch it off, you go to reverse image. No, it's gonna be car. It says something, vehicle reverse software. When you click on that, when say look at it, it's gonna disappear. When I say close, it disappeared, right? Yeah, it took me almost 30 minutes to figure out, and it will never come back, because sometimes when you do, it could go and come back and all that. But now I'm 100% sure that it's gone. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. This was one of the issues.